Welcome back. In part 2, we are diving deep into the 5 Forex pairs that are not suitable for beginners due to extreme risk and unpredictability. First is USD Tri. This pair is heavily influenced by political instability. It can experience massive, unpredictable gaps and has extremely wide spreads that can wipe out a small account in seconds. Second is EUR-ZAR. As an exotic pair, it has low liquidity. This leads to slippage, where your orders are filled at a much worse price than you expected, making it very difficult to manage risk. Third is GBP-JPY, known in the trading world as the Beast. Its massive daily range and erratic swings are legendary. For a beginner, its volatility is often too fast to handle. Fourth is USD-BRL. This pair is highly sensitive to emerging market shocks. Sudden shifts in global sentiment can cause the Brazilian real to spike or crash without much warning. Finally, USD-MXN. This pair is highly reactive to geopolitical headlines and often shows choppy, unreliable price action that makes technical analysis difficult for new traders. Focus on the majors first. Protecting your capital is rule number 1. Once you've mastered the basics, then you can explore these high-risk markets. Happy trading!